Howdy y'all, Fast Force 289 here today. Today I'm going to show you how to change the pinion seal in my dad's 1984 Ford F-150 8.8 rear end. So I got the yoke off. The nut is a 1 1/16 socket size. I used the impact. Now that we got the yoke off, you're going to want to pull the seal out. Now luckily I got a special tool made for doing this, or actually my dad does, but it's made for pulling seals. If you don't have one of these, you can get you a chisel and a hammer. Get a chisel right here up underneath this lip and start hammering it up, and when you get it up, it'll pop right out. You can get up under it. But since I have this tool, it makes it a whole lot easier. You just grab it like this, and oh, hold up, might need the other end of it. It's got two different hooks for different things. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky, I'm trying to hold it while doing this. And there you have it. Seals out. Make sure that washer stays up in there. You can get your new seal. I'm making a hell of a mess here, but your new seal. And it goes right in there. You tap it in with a hammer. I'll try to show you all that, but I'm having a hard time kind of doing camera tricks here. Let's see. I got grease in my face. But once I got it started, you want to take the hammer, you want to lightly tap it all the way around it evenly. Once it's seated, you hear that that solid sound. That's how you know that it's in there all the way. When you hear that sound all the way around, you're good to go.